Hey guys, what is up? This is Bama Girl Amy coming at you guys, and this is my do-it-yourself quilt that you guys know that I have been working on. This is now the second month. In the first month's video, I had, this part of the sweet baby done. I had just this part and this flower done. As of now, I have added the other flower, the cherry blossoms, the butterfly. I did not have these little dots that go all the way around done yet. They are now done. Down here at the bottom, I was lacking 3 of these being completed. They are now completed. And I also, let me move it where you guys can see, I also did not have the duck done. And now the duck is done. And I have started over here with those flowers. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Y'all have a beautiful day. Love each and every one of you. The Bama Girl Amy out.